Is there anything quite like a massive plate of breakfast goodies, dude? And I've actually never just made like a mound of breakfast goodies.
Yeah, it's the stuff you see on your favorite restaurant's menu. Mound o' food.
That's right. Hey guys, if this is your first time watching, welcome to CJ's First Cooking Show.
Good to be here.
I am CJ, that is Nate,
Hey.
right over there is Ethan, and as the ladies like to call him, the friend zone.
Oh!
Stop it, please, I beg you!
Sorry. He's my nephew, I love him. Guys, so pumped that you guys are here. We are officially, well, and every time you hear the bell, grab a cup, find something to sip on because we are gonna have ourselves a good time.
So come on, everyone, it's CJ's First Cooking Show!
What were you saying?
As we should, let's start with the bacon and the sausage.
As we should.
As we should. Well,
As
it's
you
gonna
should.
take the longest, plus I might wanna cook some stuff in some bacon fat, but as I always say, thick is the way to go. Now, in another circumstance that you wouldn't use thick bacon, it would be to wrap something, but today we're not wrapping. We want crispy, delicious,
All that thick rice.
thick
Dang.
rice bacon. Probably, I don't know, like what, 4 or 5 slices?
Sure, 6.
Then we've got some sausage. Now, Nate, this is near and dear to your heart. You love maple sausage.
I
So
do.
we've got these sausage links here from Johnsonville. Line them up right next to our bacon. And I think that is, yep, that works out great. Let's get to our hash browns right now. All right, full disclosure. I've actually never made hash browns.
Yeah, and we're not.
And we're still not
starting today.
making them today. I've never cooked hash browns on my Blackstone, ever.
What? Isn't that like the first thing most people do?
I don't know.
You
Leave it
just
in the comments
jumped
below.
right
Is that
into-
like the first thing that people do?
Chef Fancy Pants.
Mr. Fancy Pants.
In doing so, I also wanted to try something different
Okay.
to make them a little uniform.
That's a fun idea.
So let's make a little room over here. Do these sausages are starting to dance? I
How
like
long
it.
and them sausage? I couldn't help myself.
It's low-lying fruit.
I know.
I totally understand.
It's fine.
You're sensitive bone, it's all right.
Let's do a little bit of butter.
I'm here for you, guy. Everyone knows it.
Everybody.
Let
oh
me know
yeah.
in the comments.
Everybody knows it. That's for sure.
Dude, someone hated on me for making CJ food, and we're giving you praise for making Nate food the other day.
We live in a weird universe sometimes.
A lot of weird smells.
God.
A lot of weird. Dude, that's great.
Sorry, I farted.
Kind of just pack.
Wing it.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna wing it.
That looks good.
That looks about right. Dude, I think, in theory, the science is all there.
The numbers are accurate.
The numbers are
The sound.
accurate. They're sound numbers, bro.
Math, 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 math.
Hold on, let me pack that in there. Because I don't want to,
Whoa, careful.
yeah, I'm going to.
Kind of hot in those rhinos.
Little toasting them rhinos. I think that this should work, dude. Again, never done it. Could
We'll
mess
see.
up. We shall see. Speaking of seeing, let's flip our bacon here real quick.
Oh, yeah.
If this is your first time watching, I am notorious for,
Don't do that to you. Not anymore.
well, it's been a while. It's been a while since I've burnt the bacon, but it could happen any day. We're coming back to you, hash browns. All right, next thing in our mound o' glory is going to be our
wrong
French
with
toast.
that?
But before we get to the French toast, I think we go ahead and find ourselves in the territory of honoring the new viewers with ringing in the new crew. I feel
No.
like I gotta ring it if I'm
Yeah,
gonna ring in the new
we're
crew.
bringing in the new
so
crew.
here's to ringing in the new crew.
They've been
Let's
wrong.
get to what? But you got it. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, my man Matthew Kress just
up,
loves
Matthew?
watching all the new episodes, all the new shows, new viewer, new
Thanks
subscriber.
for keeping my teeth so pearly clean.
What? Crest. Oh, that was bad.
It was pretty good.
C-R-E-S-T, yay, Crest!
Agent Penguin.
That silly penguin is back again.
So glad that you found us, new to the channel, and griddling.
Dude.
Hope you are having fun.
It's too hot for a penguin.
Just be walking around.
I gotta send them back to the South Pole.
Good call. Sean Miller, love the show, probably because half of what I say is a movie quote, which we do a lot of quoting around here.
I love Sin City.
And number 4.
Frank Miller, come on. That was enough.
Okay.
Come
I don't
on.
know about you, but I'm having a ball.
Okay.
Come on, Bad Mon 27. You guys are awesome. I just bought my first Blackstone. Welcome. If you guys are new to watching and would happen to be one of those that would like to subscribe, let me know in the comments down below. If you do, and when you do, I'll honor you next time by telling me where you're from, what your favorite food is, and what your favorite movie is.
Again with the movie?
What your favorite
band.
dinosaur is.
Okay, where are you from? What you cook on? And what's your favorite dinosaur is?
There it is.
Dang. This could be a good one.
All right.
All right, to all the newbies out there.
Quick, what's your favorite dinosaur? 1, 2, 3,
Tyrannosaurus
Velociraptor.
Rex. Said Tyrannosaurus Rex.
French toast is brilliant and it is simple. And
it is French.
And it is French, as in French
fries.
French dressing.
And French bread.
So I learned this little kind of science, or at the very least just to understand how many eggs you should be using when making your French toast dredge. Mr. Todd Toven taught me just use pretty much 1 egg per piece of toast, and that'll help you kind of
Nice.
gauge what you're doing.
Wait a minute.
And this
Oh, a perfect amount.
2.
3.
Ah, look at that.
It's finally happening!
Another hack, fun one. You can use milk and then give it some flavor with some vanilla, but
God bless him. Mrs. Smith, no, wait.
today we're gonna be
French
using
vanilla.
French vanilla. That's right. Perfect. Dude, and you know what I should have got, which I didn't? Snickerdoodle. That would have been fun to add to this, but I didn't have it. Hey, timing out real quick.
Just to make sure.
Just
to be safe.
Gotta be safe here. Yeah, we're gonna do one more flip. Oh, safety take. Again, notorious.
How do you check on your,
PIG.
how do you check on your hash brown?
I don't know. I gotta be honest.
Let's
I'm
let
gonna
him go for a bit.
Yeah, I'm starting to see some bubbling around there, and that's from the bacon fat, which is fantastic. But I've been riding kind of low, so we're gonna see what happens.
You've been riding
Oh, dude,
the
I've got.
lightning?
Metallica!
Speaking of running lightning, hey CJ, did you know? Did you know that James Hetfield is an avid mechanic, and because of this, he has his favorite car called the Beast, and it's able to supposedly withstand earthquakes and nuclear explosions.
Because you need a vehicle during those times.
Yeah.
Let us all bow to the Hetfield. I mean, if he says it's needed, I suppose it's needed.
What
It's
is it? Is it like a SUV or
Yeah, like
something?
what is it?
It's a
Blazer.
Laser. Yes. You know what? Let's ring it for the man,
For Hetfield.
to Mr. Hetfield.
Hats off to you, sir.
I'm going to throw up. I think I'm gonna throw
Don't throw up.
Dude, the bacon's looking flawless. Thank God today is not that day.
I bid you stand! Man of the West!
We're gonna go ahead and pull off this bacon, let it drain on some paper towels. And dude, I don't know if the hash browns are done,
Dude,
but
this
I
whole
think
episode's full of you. I don't know.
I
You're
think
just trying.
I'm trying it. I think a pro move is going to be to slide these. I'm going to use a spatula.
Come
Let's
on,
slide
dude.
those over. Let them start crisping up in some bacon fat. The
Okay.
sausages are sliding out of
All
the way
right.
because I had to make room. But dude, I think that is money. Dude, freaking perfect. Let's get to the French toast now. For French toast, you got a couple options. Actually, any option that you want.
You got a couple options. No, you don't.
Essentially, you could use whatever kind of bread you got lying around the house. I recommend Texas toast or
Pentecost toast.
or brioche if you have the means.
I highly recommend picking one up.
Because it's thick. Well, brioche is sweeter by nature.
You take sugar.
No, thanks,
More rich.
Turkish.
I'm
Sweet enough.
Nice.
And, but Texas toast is going to be nice and thick.
Nice.
Come on over here. You know
on.
what?
Whoa. We're going to check
I think we got to check.
Okay.
I think
Go for it, dude.
Just commit.
Commit. Oh,
All right.
come
all
on,
right.
man.
All right. All right. Commitment's working. Commitment's good.
I've
1,
dropped
2,
my-
3, execute. Okay. I did not mess this up.
Dude.
I'm very happy about it.
Little bits of crispy bacon in there.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. I need a little bit of butter. I'm gonna go down with some butter right here. We got some residual heat going on. It's all good. It's okay. It's still good. It's
You know,
still good.
I like French toast, but I rarely eat it.
I'm not really like a breakfast kind of guy,
Me
to be honest
either.
with you.
I can get down with some eggs, but
Well,
like
sure.
hard boiled.
Oh yeah, dude.
Oh, come on now.
All right.
So you don't let them sit for a while? You don't want to like...
No, once you get your Judge Dredge cruising,
Yeah.
you just want to...
I didn't see it coming.
I didn't even see it coming.
I got robbed by a sweet old lady on a motorized cart.
Okay.
All right, done though. So we're gonna let that cruise for just a minute. Let's ring it and bring it.
Okay.
When we come back, we're
There's
gonna
more?
flip them. Actually, we're probably gonna flip them here in just a second, and then it's time to make some eggs, and then we're done. Can we just get this mound of glory?
I'm just saying your count is really interesting.
Blah, blah, blah.
I don't say blah, blah, blah.
Okay.
I'm actually really good at math. You're kind of bad at math.
That was gold.
Thanks.
Dude, I've got some free space right here. Let's go ahead and continue with our
Huevos.
mound of food. And I'm gonna do...
Oh, wait a minute. This is all one serving. That's why you were being so generous with your portions.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
You whoa.
What do you mean?
All together like that?
Yeah.
Wow.
Because
Because.
not gonna do fried eggs. We're gonna do a little bit of scramble. So I like, as my palate has matured, as I scramble, I don't necessarily need it to be, like growing up, my grandma did it this way, my mom did it this way, where it's in a bowl, scramble it all up,
Oh no.
you know, and it was all completely,
Orange.
yes,
All one color.
all one
texture.
color. I like to have taste little bits of yolk. I like to taste little bits.
It looks nicer.
It does have a much more beautiful presentation. And while we're over here, we're gonna go ahead and throw in some red bell pepper that
Okay,
I
a little special omelet.
cut up earlier. You know what? I've got seasoning here. Got some hatch chili and cheddar.
Is that it? Are you sure?
I think that's it. That's what we're gonna go with right here. Dude, it's a great
Wow,
flavor.
it smells amazing. We have to
Bro.
go.
And this is fantastic because we are now almost done. And if one were so inclined, you could do green chili, but I forgot the can opener.
No.
We don't need it. It's fine.
What about cheese?
Cheese I've got.
That cheese I
I
got.
can
Hey.
handle the cheese.
Got so excited.
Because I was like, dang it, I screwed the pooch big time on this one, but nope, I was prepared on the cheese.
That's good, because every time you add hatch green chili, that's all I can taste.
Because you're such a tool, dude.
It's like Taco Bell hot sauce. It just makes
over
everything better.
It makes everything awesome.
Taco Bell?
Yes.
Plating is simple. It's in the name. It's a mound of breakfast
Technical
food.
term.
Honestly, pile it up how you like, but I'm gonna slice up this French toast into these little triangles
Like Mama
because
used to make.
just like Mama used to make, gonna slide them on that far side. I've got our eggs, just gonna place those
Good
right
looking
there
eggs,
in
buddy.
the middle. Dude, I love the colors and the
Yeah.
texture that's going on there. Then our perfect hash browns that turned
They're
out
hash rounds.
hash rounds?
Yeah.
You, dude, that
Yeah,
was gold.
can we?
All right, we got
Okay,
that one.
thanks.
Then we've got our sausage, dude. I don't need all that sausage, but we might as well pile it up,
That's
right?
ridiculous.
And then, of course,
ridiculous.
we've got the bacon to
And
finish
with
it
the
off.
bacon, that's ridiculous.
I-
This is
I
one
could have
serving.
put more bacon, but
This is one serving.
This is no,
This is
no.
one.
This is multiple servings.
This is at least two.
I think that this is
Maybe
probably
three?
two. Gah! So dramatic. All right, the mound has not disappointed.
The mound.
We've got a lot of goods. I would normally go for French toast first, but because these eggs, I just
Do they look quacktastic?
oh,
All it's missing.
you know what it could use, right?
Green chili.
A little bit of green chili.
Huh.
But let me know in the comments below.
If CJ can eat all of this,
Not happening. How'd I do? What would you change? What do you like?
I would change get one of these little maple sausage links.
Dude, you are in love with maple.
I love
Like
it.
I'm in love with green chili.
I wouldn't chug it like Todd though.
That's a different kind of level.
Yeah.
But speaking of comments,
Oh, we were.
we made it to this part of the
You're
show.
here.
We're here.
Welcome.
It is time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
If this is your first time to the segment of the show, welcome, my friends. This is where I screenshot comments from you, the viewers.
That you do.
Because if you guys write it,
We read it.
that's right, and then we share it for everyone to be a part of. Sometimes they're naughty, sometimes they're nice. All times they're fun. So starting from the top in no particular order, this is Richard Oates. Don't.
That guy in a little coat.
Richard.
What's happening? Your video quotes are like vibrant brushstrokes of inspiration, painting the canvas of minds with motivation and wisdom. However, I like Nate's videos for content.
Huh. So you're the artist.
You got a smirk out of me. I'm the artist.
Formerly known as CJ.
As CJ's first cooking show, but
and I'm the teacher?
I'm not really sure where to go with this one, Richard. But I'll let it slide. All right, this next one comes in from Bob Johnson.
Hey, Bob Johnson.
Old Bob says, way too many cutaways. I won't be subscribing.
Bob Johnson.
Bob,
what a kidder.
Bob, come
what
on.
What a jokester.
So for all of you that are liking and subscribing, old Bob did not want to play with us.
No.
That's all right. I hear Bob doesn't play well anyway.
Well.
But Bob is your uncle.
Like the bobber on the water.
Oh, this next one comes in from Casey Hall. Dude, Hall & Oates.
What?
Casey Hall says, I have to say, when I first started watching your show, I didn't really care for it.
Huh.
I get it.
Happens.
However, I have now watched about 10 of your videos, and your show has grown on me. You guys have definitely changed my opinion, and I really do get a good kick out of the banter, movie quotes, and the walk of shame is definitely the best. We've all been there. Good job. Casey!
Casey Kasem for
Dude,
the win.
I'm Casey Kasem.
Kate, mix this comment into the other one. It's Casey Jones.
Ooh.
Well, that was a crime, you purse-scrubbing pukes.
Gotta know what a crumpet is to understand cricket.
I'll teach you.
This next one comes in from Carl Smith.
Hey!
Carl.
Good to see you!
You were in the same place, dude.
Carl says, too much bullcrap to deal with. Get to the point. Dude, come on. Like...
No.
It's gotta be your bowl.
Exactly.
I'm starving. I ate some Triscuit crackers in the car. You should have had some.
If I would have known they were delicious Triscuit crackers.
I could have enjoyed them with you.
I'm sorry.
Well,
sorry I didn't put the delicious Triscuit crackers in my stomach now, does it, Carl? Dang it, I was close.
Woo.
What? I'm failing to make the connection here, son.
All right, this is a twofer.
I love the twofer.
Twofers are good. So the first one, it starts with Velocity. Velocity says, okay, I gotta know, are y'all twins?
Uh-huh. No.
Not at all.
V-twin. What? No.
What?
That's a stupid dad motorcycle joke that old guys understand.
You have derailed.
And then directly underneath that it says, it's Michael Roberts says, not funny, I hope your food is good.
Michael J. Roberts?
Yes, exactly. My food is good.
Yeah.
The show is good.
It is.
And we are not twins.
Oh, no?
No.
Well, I wouldn't be too sure, pal.
This is from AFK9 Handler.
Okay.
It says, wow, could y'all be any more annoying? Yeah.
Could you be any more insulting?
Dude,
AFK9 Wrangler?
Handler.
Oh, K9 Handler.
K9 Handler.
Oh, wow. He probably handles dogs.
You think?
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm sure we could be more annoying.
What? Yeah, dogs.
Dogs. Like dogs.
Oh, dogs.
Well, that, my friends, is how we wrap up an episode of CJ's first cooking show.
So friendly.
We made a mound of glory for breakfast. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Behind me, we've got the OG board. If you want to put something up on there, let me know. Send me a message on Instagram. I'll give you an address and you can put something up there. Also, if you did not know, it's a party with Nate and CJ. And ring it and bring it. Go to griddlenation.com. Go to blackstoneproducts.com for this recipe and tons of other stuff. But ladies and gentlemen, this is CJ's first cooking show where we...
And we...
See you guys next week.
Ooh. Ooh.